You want my hair? You want my hair?
Yes, this video is all about her hair and the style and how I did it. Hi you guys, so now it's time to show you how I did this wonderful cute hairstyle on my daughter's hair. Shadiah. I love it. The baby little heart. So if you're interested in that, you need to watch this video. I'm going to go in detail and show you exactly how to do a 3-year-old's hair.
Hi, it's my hairstyle. It's my hairstyle. It's my mom don't do my hair, and my mom don't do my faster hair, white braids, and my.
Basically, I was trying to look for a style to show her length, and I didn't want to do too many braids, but just enough. So I parted it off. And I definitely will show you guys all the product that I use to get the part nice and clean and straight. What do you think about your hair, Shadiah?
I like it.
You like it? And we're gonna do your hair today?
We got to do a bear day today.
No. All right, so these are the products that I'm going to use to braid her hair, you guys. Definitely use edge control. This is lock wax. All these are just very, very, really thick grease to hold the hair in place. I think it'll be more healthier than using some kind of gel. Her hair's a bit dry and it's dirty. I'm actually going to style her hair being dirty. And why I'm not going to wash her hair so she can maintain her natural oils in her hair, and that would help speed up her hair growth. Turn you so they can see. So in lines in the side. And I really wanted to give it length. So her hair, so this is her hair with no extensions right here. But then the ponytail in the back is extensions. And then she wanted pink highlights. And then I had to make for sure the braids were a certain size so the beads would fit on there. Show the back of your head so they can see how cute the heart is. So as you see here, it's a heart. And I think I did really good. I didn't want it centered, so it's kind of like in a side. So cute, right? So this ponytail right here, you guys, is all extensions. So I took a little piece out of her ponytail and braided with a fake hair, and then I kept doing it to all the pieces, and her hair probably stopped to here. So I wanted the length because I wanted it to line up with the same length for the back pieces. So I noticed her back right here wasn't really that long, so I added extensions on the pieces right here. Some of the braids, you got to be careful and make sure you don't put too much hair in there, because this one, it was too big. I wasn't able to even put beads on it. So I'll probably redo this one. So yeah, this is her hairstyle. Isn't it so cute, you guys? It's like not too many braids. It'll be easy to take out, you know, and I feel like it's age appropriate. And she loves it. So I noticed her hair is really curly. This one has no extension in it. And as you see, it's waving up. You see that? So I'm probably going to get more beads on this one so it can weigh down. You know, weigh it down so it won't crinkle up like that.
Do you love my hair? I said Daya. I feel old. So that is 2. Based on feet.
As you see here, I was just prepping the hair, getting it ready to style. I did finger detangle it, I damped it a little bit, and I lightly brushed it with my demi brush, as you see right there. She's very extremely tender-headed, and I'm being as gentle as possible with her, and her hair is still dirty hair. I didn't really completely wash it, but it is really detangled now, so it's time to do the heart. All right, so just find the center of your kid's head and you can shape out the heart. And then I got little black rubber bands, and then I did little square boxes and parted it just around the heart. And as you see, there's the finished project. It actually only took me like an hour and a half. I could have done it a lot faster. Those are my two Yorkies, Citrine and Amethyst. Again, if you guys enjoy videos like this, I would love to do more videos like this for you. Please leave the comment down below and I'll provide you more fun, unique, young braid hairstyles for a 3-year-old. So thank you for watching this video. Make for sure you hit the subscribe button right there and stay tuned to more videos.